The first thing we do is cook the filling, and in a smaller pot we pour 500 milliliters of orange juice with the highest fruit content. Leave it on the stove to boil. In another bowl, mix 120 grams of vanilla or whipping cream pudding. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 250 milliliters of orange juice. In total, we use 750 milliliters. Mix everything to avoid lumps. When the juice boils, add the dissolved pudding mixture to it. Stir until it thickens, then remove it from the heat. Immediately put it in a bag or foil and leave it to cool. Separate 3 eggs, whites from yolks, and now beat the egg whites gradually while adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Gradually add the yolks, followed by 50 milliliters of oil in a stream. Then sift 3 tablespoons of soft flour and 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Mix everything, and when the mixture is combined, the batter is ready. While doing this, the oven should be heating at 180 degrees Celsius. In a 26 centimeter baking pan, we place parchment paper and pour the entire batter for the base. The base is baked. We baked it for around 20 minutes. Place the base upside down on a serving plate. Sprinkle the base with a bit of orange juice. In 200 milliliters of hot sweet cream, add 100 grams of dark chocolate. Wait a minute, then stir until everything melts. Pour all the chocolate over the base and leave it to set. Here we have 150 grams of softened butter, to which we will add 50 grams of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and beat it all together. Next, beat the cooled pudding immediately. Add the pudding to the butter and sugar and mix everything together. Separately, whip 300 milliliters of whipping cream. Don't whip it too stiff, more like a soft coffee cream. I will also grate a bit of orange zest. Add the previously whipped cream to the yellow part of the filling. Scrape everything with a spatula so no unwhipped parts remain. The filling is ready. Use a napkin to clean the edges, since we'll be adding the jelly on top. For the jelly, mix 10 grams of gelatin granules with 4 tablespoons of water. Stir and leave it to rest. We will also need 200 to 250 milliliters of orange juice. I recommend freshly squeezed orange juice to give the jelly a real orange flavor. If you don't have fresh juice, or you prefer a milder flavor, feel free to use the juice you used for the cream. The gelatin has set and now it needs to be melted. You can melt it in the microwave at medium temperature, or place the dish over a bowl of hot water. Add a bit of orange juice to the melted gelatin. Stir everything together, then return the gelatin to the juice. Use a spatula to pour the topping over it. We're doing this to prevent holes from forming in the cream. The cream is quite firm, so you can slowly pour the jelly directly, but doing it this way is safer. Once this is done, place the cake in the fridge to cool. I will decorate it before serving. Enjoy your meal.